The trailer begins on the road, not on the ranch, not with the wide shot of the mountains that every fan of this show carries somewhere behind the eyes. So familiar it is more memory than image. The trailer begins on the road, specifically on Highway 22 South, which is the road that leads to the ranch from the direction of Calgary. The road that has been the approach to this story for 19 seasons. The road that characters drive when they are coming home after being away too long, or leaving after something that could not be undone. A truck on the highway at first light. Moving south. The mountains beginning to clarify out of the dark to the west. The way they clarify every morning in Alberta. Not gradually, but decisively. The way Alberta does most things, arriving fully formed out of the darkness and staying put. The truck turns off the highway onto the gravel road. The gravel road leads where it has always led. Home. The first thing the Season 20 trailer communicates, before any face appears on screen, before any dialogue, before the music has committed to whatever emotional register the season is going to ask us to inhabit, is this: someone is coming back. The direction is certain, the pace is deliberate, and the ranch at the end of the road is exactly what it has always been, waiting the way places wait for the people who belong to them. The truck turns down the driveway. The gate is open. Interior, Heartland Ranch. Kitchen. Morning. She is at the counter when the truck pulls in. She sees the headlights sweep across the kitchen window, and she does not move. She is holding her coffee and looking out the window, and something in how she is holding it, both hands, tighter than necessary, the specific grip of a person bracing themselves for something they have been anticipating for a long time, tells the audience everything about what this arrival means before the door of the truck has opened. This is the show's gift, and has always been its gift. It trusts its audience to read the small things, the grip on the coffee mug, the quality of stillness, the way a person holds their body when they are feeling something they have not yet allowed themselves to name. Outside, the truck door opens. She sets the mug down. She does not go to the door immediately. She gives herself one more moment in the kitchen, in the warmth of it, in the ordinary pre-dawn quiet of a room she has inhabited through every version of herself she has ever been. She gives herself that moment. Then she goes to the door. Exterior, Heartland Ranch, porch, dawn. The porch, the steps, two people looking at each other across the distance that has accumulated between them. The trailer does not linger on who is arriving. It does not need to. The Season 19 finale established every thread that has been left unresolved, every question that has been sitting in the air of this property since December 7th, 2025, when the episode titled Forgiveness went to black with more open doors than closed ones. The question of Nathan and his proposal, and the firefly clearing, and what she said after the screen went dark. The question of Lindy watching her mother become someone new, and what role she plays in that becoming. The question of Georgie and Austria, and the oldest decision this show has ever asked any character to make. All of it is in the air of this porch in this early morning. The trailer does not resolve it. It shows the porch, the two people, the morning coming up behind the mountains, and then it moves. Interior Heartland Ranch, barn, morning. The barn in the morning light is the show in its purest form. This has always been true, and it is especially true in the trailer for the final season, which understands, as the show has always understood, that the drama that happens in barns is more honest than the drama that happens anywhere else, because you cannot perform in a barn the way you can perform in a drawing room or a boardroom or any space that was designed with an audience in mind. The barn was designed for horses. In the barn, in the Season 20 trailer, there is a scene between the old man and his granddaughter that the fans who have been following this show since Lindy was born in Season 12 will not recover from quickly. She is 18 now, the girl who was born on this ranch, whose first breath and first steps and first time on a horse were all part of this story. And he is the man who has been here for every version of her life that she can remember. They are doing barn chores together, the way they have done barn chores together across 6 seasons of this show. And the quality of the scene is the quality of something that both of them know is changing. She is going to leave the ranch eventually. Not forever, but eventually. The way everyone who grows up on this ranch leaves eventually, and returns, and leaves again, and returns again, because that is what this story has always been about. The leaving, and the returning, and the understanding, arrived at slowly across multiple departures, that the ranch is not the place you escape from, but the place you come back to. He knows she is going. She knows he knows. Neither of them says it in this scene. They just do the barn chores together in the morning light. Exterior, Heartland Ranch, round pen. Mid-morning. The Season 19 trailer that aired in the fall of 2025 gave audiences their first look at the horse Amy would be working in the new season. A difficult gray mare, unpredictable and reactive, carrying the specific kind of history in her body that horses who have been mishandled carry. The Season 20 trailer brings that horse back. She is calmer now, not fully trusting. Horses do not become fully trusting quickly, and this show has never pretended they do, but measurably calmer. She stands in the center of the round pen rather than circling the perimeter. Her eye is softer. Her ear flicks toward the woman in the pen with the attention of an animal that has decided this person is worth tracking. Progress, not resolution. Progress. This is the show's understanding of how things actually work, delivered in the language of the round pen rather than in dialogue, which is always the better language for the truths this show wants to tell. You do not fix a broken thing in one season. You show up, and you show up, and you show up again. And eventually, the broken thing starts to become something else. Not what it was before the break, but something that has incorporated the break into its structure and is stronger for it in the specific, asymmetric way that healed things are always stronger than unbroken ones. The gray mare walks toward her. Amy puts her hand out. The mare puts her nose into it. 20 seasons of the same truth, still true. Exterior, Heartland Ranch, Creek Path. Afternoon. Georgie and Phoenix at the Creek Path, and this time the scene is different from every previous time the trailer has shown them here. She is not standing still. She is moving, walking Phoenix along the path at a slow, deliberate pace, her hand on his neck, her eyes forward, the particular quality of a person in motion who has made a decision and is now walking inside it. Madison Chiato, who has been Georgie since Season 9 and who has grown into this role the way Georgie has grown into herself, with effort and talent and the specific quality of commitment that makes a character feel real rather than performed, carries something in this scene that the previous trailer shots of her at the creek did not carry. A settled quality. Not resolved. The word the show uses is not resolved but decided. The difference is significant. Resolved suggests the conflict is over. Decided suggests the person has chosen their position and is living in it. She has decided something about Austria. The trailer does not say what. It shows her walking with her horse on the creek path in the afternoon, moving forward, and trusts the audience to understand that forward is the answer. Interior Heartland Ranch. Kitchen. Friday dinner. The Friday dinner. This is the scene that will appear in gift sets and fan edits and every compilation of Season 20 moments for as long as people make those things, which, if the history of this fandom is any indication, will be a very long time. The table is full. The way the table has been full on Fridays for 20 seasons. The way it was full in the pilot, and the way it will be full in the finale. The way it has been full through every departure and every return and every person who has sat in one of these chairs and changed the shape of the family by being present at it. The food is passed. Someone tells a story that has been told before. The old man makes a comment that is drier than anyone expected, and the table laughs. Nathan is at the table. He is not at the head of the table. He is not in a chair that announces anything about his status. He is just present, in the middle of the table, passing the bread to the person beside him, with the ease of someone who has been at this table long enough that passing the bread is automatic. Not trying, not performing, just here. And she, across the table from him, watching this, has an expression that the camera catches in the space of a second and holds for exactly as long as it needs to. Something has been decided. The trailer moves on before the audience can be certain what. Exterior, Heartland Ranch, paddock, evening. The release date card in the Season 20 trailer does not appear over a black screen. It appears over the wide shot, the paddock in the evening light, the mountains going blue behind it, the horses at their evening graze, the farmhouse warm against the coming dark, and the specific choice to put the date card over this image rather than over black is itself a communication. CBC is not announcing a premiere date. It is announcing a return. Sunday, October 4th, 2026. 7 in the evening Eastern. 7:30 in Newfoundland. CBC and CBC Gem. The date appears over the wide shot, and the wide shot holds behind it, the ranch still present, the horses still in the paddock, the kitchen light on in the farmhouse window, and the mountains doing what they have always done, being enormous and permanent and blue and absolutely, completely there. Season 20, 10 episodes. The final season of Canada's longest-running one-hour scripted drama. The show that has been on CBC every fall since October 14th, 2007. The show that has aired 279 episodes across 19 seasons and is now preparing to air 10 more, one per week, beginning October 4th and running through December 2026. The cast has been filming in High River and Calgary since May 12th. They will finish on August 31st. The episodes will be edited and scored and delivered to CBC, and the promotional machinery will begin in earnest in the weeks before the premiere. The interviews and the social posts and the carefully timed release of stills and clips that build toward the Sunday night when the theme music plays for the 280th time. But before all of that, this, the trailer, the wide shot, the date, Exterior, Heartland Ranch, round pen, final frame. The very last image of the Season 20 trailer is not the wide shot. It is closer than the wide shot. It is the round pen, empty of horses, in the early morning light, the pen itself, its rails, its particular circle of packed earth where so much of this story has been told. The camera moves slowly around the outside of the pen, taking in the rails and the mountains beyond them, and the barn and the farmhouse in the background. And it is the kind of shot that earns the word elegiac without trying to, simply by pointing the camera at a thing that is going to end and letting the thing be itself. The theme music swells. The title card appears. Heartland. Season 20. And then, beneath it, in smaller letters, the final season. And then the date. October 4th, 2026, Sunday. Come home. Voice over. Closing lines. Some stories know what they are from the very first frame. A ranch, a family, a girl with a gift, a grandfather who never says what he means, but means everything he says. 20 seasons, the same round pen, the same kitchen, the same mountains, the same truth, told again to anyone who needed to hear it. You show up, you stay, you keep doing the work, and the thing you love will find its way to you. Heartland, Season 20. The final season, October 4th, 2026. CBC, CBC Gem. We'll see you at the ranch.